afternoon, sir. We're from University of Eastern Pangasinan, the SID 3 Black Eye, and we're making a short spoon documentary about how companies use technology and handle workplace issues. We'd like to ask you a few questions. Is it okay if we're ready to talk for our product? There are no market records for our job.
The first question, sir. First question. What device, software, or digital tools do you regularly use in your daily tasks?
So usually ang ginagamit ko lang naman is yung cellphone ko at laptop ko sa mostly ng mga tasks. Then sa work naman, magamit kami ng mga software. Basic softwares lang tulad ng Office, Excel, messaging apps like Viber lang para sa communication. Dito sa office hanggang sa site. Then sa mga technical naman, gumagamit kami ng mga AutoCAD and SketchUp.
How does technology affect your work experience? Does it make tasks easier or more challenging?
Honestly, kung talaga, mas madali with tech, with technology naman kasi yun nga, napapadali yung communication. Hindi na kailangan pumunta ko sa site. Kung may gusto may clarify ko na lang. Pero medyo hassle lang minsan pag nagluloko yung internet or may glitch sa system.
Are there company guidelines or policies that explain how employees act or make decisions at work? If yes, how are these rules introduced to you?
Yes, meron naman talaga mga regulations and policies about company. Tapos, ini-introduce to usually before magsimula yung tao during orientation pag magsimula na yung work.
What workplace issues or conflicts come